Okay, start. Do you want to drink? No. If you want to drink, you may drink, and then Miss Mickey will wait. Miss Mickey will give you 1 minute. Yeah.
1 minute kita boleh.
And then don't forget, Tuesday is English Day. Say the prayer. Okay. Yes? Okay, attention after Raisa ya. Okay, Di. Okay, go. English, please.
I want to go to the toilet.
Say the prayer. Okay. Salah. English, please. Valerie, can you help me to close the door? Okay, should we have to waiting for other friends? Okay, Miss Mickey will give you 1 minute left. Okay, yuk, we're waiting for your friends. We have to murojaah first. Waiting for your friends. What is surat that we have to?
Al-Fajr.
Al-A'la. Huh? Al-Fajar. Okay, yuk, let's ta'awuz together. A'udzu billahi minasyaitonir rajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Wal fajar walayalin ashar wasyafi wal watar walaili idza yashar hal fi zalika lizi hijar alam tara kaifa fa'ala rabbuka bi'ad irama zatil imad allati lam yuhlaq misluha fil bilad wa samudallazina jabus sahra bil wad wa fir'auna fil autad allazina taghaw fil bilad fa aksaru fi hal fasad fasabba alaihim rabbuka sauta azab inna rabbaka labil mirsad fa ammal insanu iza mabtalahu rabbuhu fa akramahu wa na'amahu fa yaqulu rabbi akraman wa amma iza mabtalahu fa qaddara fayaqulu rabbihi ahanan kalla balla tuhrimuna liyatim wala tahaddu na'ala ta'am miskin wala kununa turasa lalama wa tuhibuna lamala hubban jamma kalla iza dukkatil ardu dakkan dakka wajah rabbuka wal malaku saffan saffa waji'a yawma idzin bi jahannama yawma idzin yatazakkarul insanu wa anna zikra yaqulu ya laitanil qaddamtu li hayati fayawma idzil la yu'azzibu azabahu ahad wala yusiku wasaqu ahad ayyatuhan nafsul mutmainnah irji'il ila rabbiki radiyatan maradiyah fadkhulil fi ibadil wadkhulil jannati. Sadaqallah. Okay. All of you already complete this one? Already. Miss Nikki will drink first ya. Okay. Already on? Okay. Yuk, before we start our session today, let's say basmalah together. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Okay. Hello everyone.
Hello.
Good morning.
Good morning, Miss Nuki and Miss Sri.
Good morning everyone.
Good morning, Miss Nuki and Miss Sri.
Okay, how are you today?
Alhamdulillah, amazing. Allahu Akbar. I'm happy.
Okay, inshallah all of you are happy today ya. Okay, have you already eat your breakfast? Alhamdulillah. We haven't not
I eat egg and
scrambled egg. Yeah, okay, alhamdulillah. Okay, who's not coming today? Who's absent? Zafran. Silma. Okay, hopefully Zafran and Silma will get better ya. But Zafran is permit, Silma is sick. Okay. Okay, today we have a new material in science. What is this?
light.
Light. Have you ever heard about light? Okay. Can you mention what the example of the lights that can produce the light? Yeah, Raisa.
Window.
Light? The produce light. Okay. Sun. Nadine? Torch. Nice. Lamps. Kakak.
The sunlight of the sun.
Okay, sunlight in the sun. Okay, Kelsey. Oh, light bulbs. Nice. Last. Sanza. Candle. Yes. Actually, in the grade 2, you already learn about the light sources, right? Now, today in the grade 3, we still learn about the light, but we have to focus with this topic. Okay? Okay, not opaque, but opaque. Say it together. Opaque. Opaque. Okay, this is the topic that we have to learn today, yeah. In life, focus with the transparent, translucent, and then opaque material. Opaque. Okay. Before we start, Miss Nikki will remind again about the class agreement. Anyone can help me, Rayanka? Be on time. Respect others, Raisa. Listen when someone is speaking. Raise hand before talk. Nice. Siva? Ask permission. Diona? Clean and tidy up after you finish your activity. Okay, if you break the agreement, what did you get? Consequences. What are they?
Reminder of the agreement.
Yeah, you will get the reminder of the class agreement. Ryan kah? Say istighfar 3 times. What else? Arkan? Arkan? Out of group Ashifa. Body class Adrio. Meet the principal. Diona. Iren. Meet meet the parents and then the principal. So this is clear ya about the agreement. So hopefully grade 3 Al-Fajar can follow all of the agreement so you didn't get the consequences. Be nice, behave, and then be polite. And then what else? What else? Be nice, be responsible. Okay. Okay. Do you still remember about this one? Okay, Miss Nikki will mention morning information. Grade 3 Alpha, Jar. Okay, Miss Nikki will mention again, but you have to say faster. Okay, so listen. If Miss Nikki say it faster, so you have to say it faster too. Okay, Grade 3 Alpha, Jar. Grade 3 Alpha, Jan. I am smart. I am blessed. I can do anything. 3 Alpha, Jan. Masya Allah. Okay. Before we do this one, what's listen. Okay. Speak English, please. Okay. I prepare one bag in here. This one. Can you guess what the inside of my bag? iPhone? Eight? Marker? Really? Okay. Is it marker? Yes, this is marker. But look at this one. What the type of the material of my lunch bag? Can you see the inside of the my lunch bag? Opaque. Why? Why this one is opaque? Huh? Yeah, why?
It's not transparent.
It's not transparent. Yeah, you cannot see through the inside of my lunch bag. How about this one? For example, nah, this one.
Transparent.
If I put it in here, and then if I put it the marker in my lunch bag, there is a difference or not? Yes. Can you see the things inside my lunch bag? No. But if I put it in here, can you see the inside of my glass water? Yes. Because they are different. One is the transparent and then one is opaque. So this one, the material that we have to learn. Okay. Now, Miss Nuki will ask you to play the game. The rules here, if the teacher throw the marker, because I hold the marker here, and then you have to please clap your hands. If the teacher saw the marker, so you have to stop claps. Clear? Yeah, focus. Ready or not? Okay, 1, 2, 3. Hey! Okay, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Focus again. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Do you know when I throw the marker, what the force that the marker has? Huh? Gravity. Yeah, everything. Do you still remember about the gravity? Yeah, what is the gravity? Yeah, gravity is force, yeah, toward the earth. Yeah, gravity is the what? Review again, yeah, the gravity is the force that attract all object toward the earth. Okay. Okay, now we have to focus for the material. This one? This one already. Okay, here I have the case. In Islam, theology, and then law in fiqh, the requirement for the hijab for the woman, yeah, to be opaque. Why? Every Muslimah, Muslimah, the woman Muslim have to wearing the hijab, and then the hijab must be opaque, not transparent. Why, Raisa? Because
If transparent,
the hair is the other person can see your hair. Okay, your aura. Okay, thank you, Raisa. Because Raisa can answer the question, so I will give the point for you. Later you may take the start from Miss Pinky, ya. Raisa. Okay, this is the reason why every Muslimah have to wearing the opaque hijab, because they have the aura from the hairs to toe. So for the Muslimah have to cover the aurat using the opaque material. Yes, okay. Okay, who can read this one? Rayanka, come here, stand up. Ayo. Kakak. Okay, change. Who wants? Yeah. Arkan, come on. Okay. This one. Ya. Ayo, Arkan.
Ayu Hanna bimukul liaswa jika wabana tika wanisa ilmu minina yut mina alaihin min jalabi bihin nasa lika adna an yuk rofna fala yuk zanawaka naulahu Gofurur-Rahim.
Okay, good job, Arkan. Okay, because Arkan brave to read the Quran, Miss Minky will give the star. Okay, who wants to read this one? Adrio.
Tell your wife and your brother and the children of the believers to bring down over themselves of this garment that is possible, that they will be known and not be afraid. And ever is
Okay, this one based on the Surah Azab, verse 59. Allah, asked for the Prophet Muhammad to tell about the wife and then the daughter using the outer garment. So this one, how every Muslim wearing the hijab. Okay. Okay, this one the learning objective. At the end of this lesson, the students will be able to identify material as the transparent, translucent, and then opaque correctly. Okay, can you see through a clear glass window? Yeah, what did you see?
clouds.
Huh? Clouds and then tree. Can you see clearly? Yes. What the types of the window here? Transparent. Why we call it the transparent?
Because we can see out the window
Clear? Clear?
clearly.
Okay, we can call this one as the transparent because we can see the object outside or inside clearly. That's we call with the transparent. Okay, why do you think the windows are usually made of the glass? Why? Why every window is made of the glass? You know the reason, Kelsey?
So you can see the what is the view outside it and let sunlight come in.
Okay, good job. That's the function of the window. Arkan, do you want to add more? Why the reason mostly the windows is made from the glass?
Because
Mm-mm.
uh, because
Mm-mm.
mm,
You can see clearly. Yeah. Things not what? Uh-uh.
kalau bahasa
If
if
uh-uh.
is opaque,
Uh-uh.
we cannot see clearly the sun
Uh-uh.
and the cloud.
Oh, Masya Allah. Good job. So, Arkan get 2 and then Kelsey get 1. Okay, Kelsey. And then Ashifa ya? Ashifa. And then who's mentioned before? Okay, yeah. This one the reason why mostly the windows made from the glass. Yeah. Okay. What? Okay, the function of window is to allow us to look outside. Yeah, outside. Or for light, yeah, that from the sunlight enter the house. Therefore, a material that allows light to pass through must be chosen. So, mostly the window is made from the glass. The glass is transparent. Yeah, this one the function of the transparent material. Okay, this one, right? A clear glass window is transparent. Transparent materials allow nearly all lights to pass through them. Nah, this one. And then the second one, can you see through a stained glass? Yes, why? Why? No, why? If you say yes, what the reason? If it no, what is the reason? Stained glass. This one is the window, the glass, but this one a half or some of your shadows can see. What? What the reason? Can you see this one clearly or not? No. Why? Kelsey again. Okay. Yeah, Kelsey.
Because there is colors that you can see through the glass. That make you can see.
Next, Hafiz, what is your reason?
Because is opaque.
Because the opaque. Okay. And then what else? Khalid.
Because it's not transparent.
Okay, because it's not transparent. Okay, so many answer for about the stained glass. Okay, let's see, check for this. Nah, you can see the shadow or the things from the through the stained glass. This one, yes, but the visibility is not sharp or clear. Yeah, not same like the transparent material. A stained glass window is translucent. Yeah, what is the translucent? Translucent materials allow some lights, some, not all. Yeah, some, not all to pass through them. Yeah, so you can see the shade or the shadow of the things. Yeah, we call with the translucent. Say it together. Translucent. Okay. How about this one? Can you see through the wooden door? No. No. What is the reason? No, a wooden door is opaque. Opaque material do not allow light to pass through them. Yeah, so we cannot see, yeah, the things inside or outside of the opaque materials.
Glass is a breakable material
Okay.
that allows light,
Okay.
but not objects.
We will watch from this one. Okay. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, welcome to Miss Lucy's class. Today, we will discuss about the science materials with the topic light. We will focus to transparent, translucent, and then opaque. Do you know what is the difference about that one?
Transparent, translucent.
Okay, now look at this one. Yes, this one. You know what the name for this? Yes, that's a window. Okay, can you see the everything outside from our class? Sure, you can see so many trees outside our class. Yeah, look at this one. Okay, yes, the window is made from the glass, so you can see clearly the everything outside from our class. Yeah, because the glass is the example of the transparent material.
Transparent material.
How about this one? Do you know what the name for this?
This one is
Yes, this is the cupboard. Can you see the thing inside the cupboard?
the cupboard.
Yes, sure. We cannot see the things inside the cupboard. Do you know the reason why we cannot see the things inside the cupboard?
Because it's open.
Yes, because the wooden cupboard is made from wood. And then this is the example of the opaque material. Okay, Alhamdulillah, we already done learn about the transparent, translucent, and then opaque. Now you can spot the things around you and then mention. Yeah, find it the one object and then mention what the kinds of the material. Is it transparent, translucent, or opaque?
This is mayonnaise.
Hah?
This is mayonnaise apa?
Yeah.
Miss, is
Glass is a breakable material that
Is what the name of the channel?
glass is a breakable material that allows light but not objects to pass through it. A substance such as clear water allows most light to pass through, allowing us to see this purple starfish. The water is said to be transparent.
Transparent.
You decide. What's the difference between this plastic wrap and this wax paper?
Okay. There is a plastic wrap and then the wax. Wax.
Plastic wrap is transparent,
Transparent.
allowing most of the light to pass through it, which enables us to clearly see the fruit in the bowl. The wax paper is not transparent, but instead is translucent. Translucent materials only allow some light to pass through them. Translucent materials scatter light. Many plastics are translucent, as are these curtains, allowing some light to pass through. The objects behind them cannot clearly be seen. In the case of this duck, it's neither transparent nor translucent. It's opaque.
Opaque.
It is not possible to see through opaque objects.
Okay, so that's the difference about the opaque materials and then translucent and what's that? Transparent. Okay, let's play this game. Okay, 3 Al-Fajr ya. Oh my god. 3 Al-Fajr. Okay. Okay, you can watch the video and then the video will stop and then give you the question.
This video, let's look at the difference between transparent, translucent, and opaque. A transparent material
Nah, what is the main focus of this video? The difference between acid and base, the difference between metals and non-metals, or the difference between transparent, translucent, and opaque material, or D, the difference between solid, liquid, and gas. Khalid.
The difference between transparent, translucent, and opaque materials.
Okay.
allows
Good.
visible light to pass through it. Some of the light may be absorbed, but it is possible to see the objects clearly through this material.
Okay, the question. Which type of the materials allow visible light to pass through it clearly? Tala.
Transparent.
Transparent. Okay, let's choose this one, right? Nice.
Translucent materials allow sunlight through them, but it is scattered and it's impossible
Scatters.
to see a clear image through the material. And opaque materials do not let light.
Okay, question third. What happened to light when it passed through a translucent material? It is reflect. It's like you see your face in the mirror, or it is scatters, or it is completely blocks. It passed through clearly. Scatters is like you can see only the shape, your shadow, like that. Which one? Sanza. It is scatters. Scattered. Okay. Next.
The light is either reflected or absorbed. The material at A is transparent.
A is transparent.
The material object B is translucent.
Translucent. Some of light.
The material of C
C. Which type of the material does not allow any light to pass through it? Opaque, translucent, transparent, or reflection? Arkan. Opaque material. Okay. Okay, next, in the video, what is the material at A described as, Valerie? Transparent. Okay,
A is opaque and you cannot see the card. Let's take a look at this pool. This pool is translucent. Now it's on. This pool is half transparent and half opaque.
nah, transparent,
These bottles are
Opaque.
transparent.
transparent.
Clearly.
Your water
This one is
bottle,
translucent.
translucent,
Inside with
yeah, some of light. Yeah, it's not clear
And this
like
one
the
is opaque.
transparent.
You cannot see anything inside of it. And here they are all together.
Okay, transparent, translucent, opaque.
These windows are translucent and
Translucent,
the objects are not clear.
not clear.
And the curtain is opaque.
Opaque.
And here they are
Opaque.
all together.
Yeah, transparent, translucent, and opaque.
Help you understand the difference between transparent, translucent, and opaque. Thanks for watching, and RuMath uploads new math and science video every day. Please subscribe.
Okay. What is the characteristic of the pool described as the translucent? The image is not clear. It is half transparent and then half opaque, or it doesn't allow any light through, or last, you can see through it clearly. Diona.
It is half transparent and half opaque.
Okay, based on the video, the pool is a half of transparent and then half the opaque. Okay, let's see. Let's check. Okay, it's okay. The image is not clear for the, what is that? The pools. Okay, which type of the material are the bottles that you can see through clearly? Adrio. Transparent. Which one? This one, yeah. Nice. Next, what is the characteristic of the window described as the translucent? Kakak. Hmm?
The objects are not clear.
The objects are not clear. Which one?
Thus,
It doesn't allow any light through
you can see from it clearly.
clearly. This one. This one. You can see through it clearly. Okay. Okay, later. You can check again. Yeah. Okay, what is the main purpose of the example shown in the video? To show difference between metals and non-metals, to demonstrate the properties of the transparent, translucent, and opaque, or C, to illustrate the process of the absorptions, or last, to expand the concept of the reflection. Hafiz.
To demonstrate the properties of
Transparent. Okay, until 10 o'clock. Yeah, say the prayer.
until 10.
Iya, 10 o'clock. Nah. Okay, this one, the concept. This one is the transparent. Yeah, transparent object allow light to pass through them to the sides. This one, the transparent. Next, Hala. This one is the translucent. Look at this one. Yeah, not all of the lights come through this one. Yeah, if the translucent, only some of light. Okay, translucent object allows some light to pass through them. This one, yeah, this one we call with the translucent. Next, this one, this is the opaque. So opaque object do not allow light to pass through them. Yeah, there is no light here. So this one is cover of the lights. Clear until here? Okay. Now, here are the example of transparent. Glass, clear glass, water is the transparent. Toilet paper, toilet paper, sunglasses, ice cube. And then this one opaque. Ceramic, wood, stone. Yeah, some of the materials that made from this one is the opaque. Okay, do you have any question? Really? What do you want to know about the transparent, translucent, and then opaque? Make a one question, and then if you have the question, later we have to discuss. Kakak, what is your question, Kakak, about the topic? Ayo, relate the topic ya. What?
The translucent. The
Trans?
translucent.
Trans?
Translucent. Translucent.
Translucent. What is that? What is your question?
Cannot see the object clearly.
Yeah, what is your question?
Already.
Yeah, that's a statement. Question? If you can make a question, Miss Mickey will give you a star. So, based on your question, we can discuss together. Question. Nadine. What is?
What is the advantage of transparent, translucent, and opaque?
Okay, what is the advantage or benefit? Yeah, benefit. We learn about the transparent, translucent, and then opaque material. Who can give the answer? Yeah, the benefit or advantage. Nadine asking, what is the advantage or benefit after we learn about these materials? Ayo. This one is permanent. Nadine. Okay, what is the benefit? Anyone can mention about the benefit? Benefit, do you know? The positive things, yeah. The positive thing that you get. Tala?
Transparent, translucent, and opaque.
Opaque. Okay, so you know about the materials that has the transparent, translucent, and then opaque material. Arkan, want to add more? Question. What is your question?
Why the translucent is not see clearly?
Okay, Arkan asking why the translucent object is cannot see clearly. Anyone can answer? This one is Tala. Arkan again. Anyone can answer? Why? Why in translucent we cannot see clearly? Why? Kelsey. Masya Allah. What is your reason?
Because it can only allow some light and it don't allow some light.
Okay, good job. Yeah. Why? Arkan asking why we cannot see clearly in the translucent object. Kelsey answered because in translucent object, yeah, translucent materials only allow some light. So not all of the lights, but some. Okay, clear until here? Clear. Okay. Okay. 10. What kinds of materials allow light to pass through them? What the name for this? a low light to pass through them? Is it transparent, translucent, or opaque? Transparent. Okay, what material do not allow light to pass through them? Opaque. What are the example of transparent, translucent, and opaque material? Mention, Raisa. Transparent. One object. Glass. Translucent, Hafiz. Sunglasses. Opaque, Iren. Wool. Okay. Now, we will do the rotation activity. Yeah, we have to divide it you into 4 groups. Yeah, group 1 and then group 2 will do your science student book first, page 110. Yeah, and then 112, 110 and 12. Yeah, you can group 1, group 2. Yeah, in the left and then in the right. Later, Miss Nungki will give you this one. Okay, what is this? Aluminium foil. Yeah. What is this? Baking wax paper or baking paper. And then what is this? Cling. Okay, cling wrap or wrap plastic. Yeah, cling wrap. Yeah, in here there is a, what is that? You have to observe, yeah, the object with this one. Later you can do in with what in pairs or in your group, and then take turn with others. Okay, and then answer the question. Group 1 and group 2, the activity 1 will be helped by Miss Ri. So the left and right, yeah, left and right you can do it. And then group 3 and 4, we have to do classification for the transparent, translucent, and then opaque. Yeah, in here there is some flashcard. Later you have to classify the object. For example, what about this? Wait, this one, is it transparent, translucent, or opaque? Huh? Transparent. So you can put it in this one. Transparent. Okay. The winner of the group can be, what is that? Collect the flashcard as many as you can. Clear until here? Later, Miss Miki will take the table here for the group 4 and then group 3. Later you can start from that one, and then if Miss Nungki say green, so you can walk. If Miss Nungki say red, so you have to stop, freeze. Okay? Do you see? We will play the red and green light. Yeah. Miss Nungki will say the code green, you can walk. Yeah, and then do it. If Miss Nungki say red, so you have to stop. Clear? Okay. Let's count 1 until 4. 1 until 4. 1 with 1, 2 with 2, 3 with 3, 4 and 4. You start from Dabar.
3, 4.
Okay, go. 1 and 2, take your book. Yeah, 1 and 2. And then 3 in the floors, and then 4 there. Okay? You go. Start from Kakak again. Go. Next. Start from Iren. Sanza. Nadine, go. You 1 there, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Sorry. Yuk, Arya.
3, 2, 2.
Okay. Start from Kana. Go. Hafiz. Kakak, already ya? Okay. Okay, yuk. 1 with 1, 2 with 2, 3 and 3. 3 in here, 4 here. English Day. Sit on your chair. For the chilling wrap, you group 1, group 2, you can take your book. For the chilling wrap, you can share it with other, ya. Nah, this one. Oh, yeah. Yo, group 3 and 4, help me. This one is group 4, this one group 3. Okay? No, only the table. Only the table. Put it there. Okay, can we move this one? Sorry. No. They will take from this one. This one is your flashcard. Now last group. This one is your flashcard. Here, you can take it this one. Take randomly and then classify. Yeah, this one is transparent, translucent, or opaque from that one. Okay? Okay, ready? Yo, group 1. The time is 10 minutes only, ya. Yo, 1, 2, 3. Green. Ayo, faster. Yo, Teten. Oh, sorry. Ayo, come on, the faster. Green, red, green. Okay. Yo, finish when the long hand in number 10, ya. Finish when the long hand in number 10. Ayo. No need to scream, eh. No need to yell. Okay. Okay, Miss Winky will give you 2 minutes for the group 3, group 4. For that one? Huh? Green. Red. Freeze. Green. No. If Talas come back, you go. Yeah, estafet. Yo. Red. Green. Red. Green. Red. Green. Red. Green. Red. Green. Red. Green. Okay. Red. Green. Take the baking paper, Ashifa. Kana. Green. Red. Green. Green. Red. Green. Okay. Green. Miss Nikki will green. Last. Green. Okay, stop. Okay, you sit down first. Group 3, group 4 here. Let's count together. Sit down on the carpet, please. Sit on the carpet, please. Sit on the carpet, please. Sit on the carpet, please. You, this way. Huh? Yeah, just wait. Okay, last check.
It's not 10 minutes.
Okay, this one is 1. Let's count together. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 on the carpet. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. Give it to Miss Nikki that one. That is 6, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. Remember, 31. Put it back again. 31 for the group 3. And then check, yeah, tidy up this one. And then 31, yeah. What about this one? Count together. Put it back again in here. Take it the one. Alid.
You can reach.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. Okay, 22 only. Yeah, group what? Group 3. Yes, time. Group 3. Okay, yuk, take turn rotation. Group 3, group 4. Take your book and then make a line. For the group 1, group 2, put your book on my table. The pencil, this one. Yuk, boys. Yeah, boys, girls. Yuk. Damar. Okay, group 1 and then group 2 here. Yo, group 3 and 4, you can do your science book. Hey, 4 and 3. 3 and 4. 3 and 4. This one 1 and 2. Yo, Miss Nikki will count until 5. You already in the position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. This one group 3. Yeah, you can do that one. And then this one group 4. Okay, eyes on me. Listen. Eyes on me. Okay, later group 1 and 2, you can take the flashcard here. Yeah, Misri, this one. Yeah, here you can take the flashcard from here, Adrio. Yeah, and then Miss Nikki will say red and green. If it red, you have to stop and freeze. If it green, so you can finish it your target. Okay, and then you can take the random flashcard and then put it there. Yeah, is it opaque? Is it translucent, transparent, or translucent? Clear? Okay, the winner is the groups that can collect the flashcard. Yeah, the winner is the group that can collect the flashcard. Clear? Okay. Miss Nuki will start from green. Green. Red. Green. Ayo, faster. No, later. Okay. Ayo. If your friends already arrived, you can go. Yeah. Do it. Red. Green. Red. Green. Green. Red. Green. Red. Green. Green. Ayo. Put it is nice. Put it. Ayo, if outside from this one is lost ya. Yo, green. The flashcard must be in the place ya. If outside is lost. Yo, green. Green. Red. Green. Red. Green. Red. Green. Red. Green. Red. Green. Oke, green. Ayo, last. Oke, one. Green. Oke, stop. Sit on the carpet. Group 1 and then group 2. Let's count the total flashcard that you got. Okay, Damar, sit down. Okay, this one group 1 ya. Yeah, here, if outside, Miss Nuki didn't count. Ayo, hurry up. Sit down. No. Put in this one. We have to count together. Sit down. Put it in here, Diona. Which one? This one? This one or this one? So you lose this one, yeah? You didn't put it in here. Okay. Let's count this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. What about this one? How many? How many did this one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So the winner is group 1. Your time is up. Okay, time is up. Group 3 and group 4. You can put your book on my table here. Sit on the carpet. Return back again in the box. Alhamdulillah. And then return back again the table, please. Boys. Return back again the table. Thank you so much. Hafiz there, Kelsey. Yeah, just put it over on the table. Hey, ayo. Yeah? Okay, thank you, Iren. Thank you, Arya. Okay, Miss Nikki will count until 5. So, everybody can sit on the carpet.
Yes.
1, Danis, Azza, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, who have 5? Ayo, Danis. Memorize English, D. Yeah, Tala, come on. Aza. Okay. Get ready. Cross your leg. Yeah, everyone, have you already finished with the what is that? The science student books? Yes. Easy or difficult? Easy. How about the activity 2? Easy to classify the materials? Yes. Okay. What have we learned today? What the topic of the material of today? Diona? Iren? Talk about light. What the specific one? Hafiz? Okay, nice. Okay. How do you feel after you study the science? Happy? Fun. Happy and fun. Kelsey? Fun. Yes. Do you have any difficulties for the activity? No. Okay. What is the benefit of the materials? You know. Okay, you know about the materials that from the that can give the light transparent, translucent, and opaque. Nadine?
Transparent, translucent, and opaque.
Oh, nice, good job. Complete. Okay, now not only learn about science, but this material is related with math. Okay, in math we learn about the perimeter, right? So, if Miss Nuki have the story like this, if the window has the length 4 meters and then the width is 3 meters, what is the perimeter of the window? Hafiz, the perimeter. The length is 4 and then the width is 3. The perimeter is 14? Yes, 14. Nice. Okay, Khalid. Okay. How about the English? This Khalid, right? How about the English? In English, we learn how to use the comparative words. Okay, comparative words. So, yes, make a sentence using the transparent material, translucent material, and then opaque material. Iren? Yeah, choose one thing and then compare. Is it the taller or brighter or what? Kakak? The object.
The transparent.
Yeah, the object of the transparent. Choose.
The glass is the most bright.
The glass is the most bright. Nice. What? What else? Iren? The brightest. Okay.
The bottle is more taller than
Aza. The bottle is taller. Okay, Hafiz. Break time. Hafiz. Louder your voice, Hafiz.
The bottle is lighter than the window.
Okay, the bottle is the lighter of the window. Okay, Hafiz. Okay, dia. Hafiz, kakak. Okay. Okay. Clear? Do you have any question again? No. If there is no question, let's close our meeting today by say Hamdalah. Rabbil Alamin. Halifa, please lead the prayer. Thank you, Miss.